All right, everybody, so we're gonna do the yearly filter cleaning. Most of the people pay the pool guy to do this, but I like to do it myself. So first of all, you gotta make sure that there is no pressure here. You see, it's all the way down to 0. Make sure there's no pressure there, and make sure that your pump is turned off. All right, and we're also gonna open that first thing. All right, and once that's open, we're gonna release the pressure from right there. Okay, the water, also the dirty water will drop from there, so we can get to the filters in this housing. All right, so let's get started. So these are the tools you need. You want to make sure you have a pair of gloves, because that housing where the filters are is made out of fiberglass. It has fiberglass in it, and it can get really itchy once you get on your skin. So make sure you have gloves, channel locks, screwdriver. All right, so this is what the filters inside the housing looks like. All right, I have 4 filters, and we're gonna take them off from here, and we need to pressure wash them with a hose. Just pressure wash them and get all the stuff off of them and make them look nice and clean. And this is how you get all that nasty stuff out of there. See why it's so important to wash these things at least once a year. Twice to be better. All right, so after you wash the filters and you put them in the housing, you want to make sure you put that metal belt right there. You put it on the right way, and once you put it on, you want to get, you know, the washer, then the spring, then the washer, and then the nut in there, and tighten it up. And you want to make sure that you're holding on to both sides of the housing, okay, the bottom and the top part of the housing. Okay, if you don't get that on there right, the water's going to spray everywhere, and you're gonna have some issues. All right, so once you get that on there, you also want to get this filter in here, and we're gonna put the top on there, and that you only put on just with the pressure with your hands only. You don't want to use any tools. All right, and you also want to get that bottom cap on there. All right, so remember, everything you took off, it has to go back into place. All right, let's keep going. All right, so here we go. Once everything's put back together, before you put this cap on, you want to put some water in there with a bucket. See, that's my assistant. Put some water in there, fill it up, put the top on real quick, and turn it back on, and bam, you hear it? You hear everything's working. You want to make sure that the pressure here doesn't go above 20 psi. Okay, you want to keep it under 20 psi. All right, the lower, I think, between 10 and 15 is the best. All right, so I hope this helps you guys. This saves me, I think they're charging $200 or $300 to clean the systems, and I can use that money and go out on date night, go have a nice steak. All right, so I hope you guys take advantage of this video and do this yourself. All right, take care. Bye-bye.